what's up? It's JayeeGood. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you what my toddler eats in a day. Today we had a doctor appointment and a day full of errands, so I was unable to prepare a fresh hot cooked meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so we pretty much had to go with the flow, but this is what my toddler consumes usually when our day is pretty hectic. Please do not drag me through the comments for not choosing the healthiest meals. However, I do make sure she has some sort of vegetables and fruit each day. She is a toddler and she can be very picky at times, so I'm just making sure she is receiving the nutrients that she needs and she is fulfilling her appetite. For breakfast, I will cook her a scrambled egg well done along with a Mickey Mouse waffle. With her eating eggs, she is receiving that protein for the morning. I will add pepper for flavor and some milk for fluffiness. Yes, right here, it is a little cow's milk, which I do not recommend. We ran out of almond milk and butter, as you can see when I scrambled the egg, so I had to make do for the resources we had. I try to make her meals fun and enjoyable. I will whisk her egg and then pop her waffle into the oven. I will then throw her egg into the stove and cook it while her waffle is toasting. As you can see, we ran out of butter and the egg was sticking to the pan, but we made it work. Don't drag me, I know how to cook, guys. This meal only takes a few minutes to prepare. After her waffle is done, I will cut up Mickey Mouse for her to be able to eat. I made the pieces small enough so she can feed herself without choking. Although she's no longer able to distinguish what the waffle was prior to me cutting the pieces, I still let her know what it was before. I will place her waffles and eggs on her Minnie Mouse plate in different sections, and I will add a little syrup on her waffles to enjoy.
You ready to eat? Are you ready to eat, Mommy? Are you ready? You trying to get out? Mommy made your waffles and some eggs. Say yummy. Yummy, Mommy. I think you're ready to eat. All right.
I thought about giving her her plate to eat, but then it dawned on me that she's only one and the food on the plate will all end up on the floor, so I would just take a few pieces of waffles and eggs and place it on her high chair for her to feed herself.
Is it good? Say delicioso, delicious. You gonna share? Are you gonna share with all Mama Stubbies? Oh, she's throwing food. You guys seen it firsthand. This is what toddlers do. They throw food everywhere. But it's okay, I am used to it. I can just clean it up. Not a problem. Just give Mama more work to do. I know, it's delicious. Can Mommy have some? You want to share with Mommy?
Okay, you guys, so she didn't finish it all, but she did eat quite a bit, and I have to admit, the floor ate quite a bit as well, as you guys can see. The floor definitely got its fair share, and I'm sure the floor is pretty full right about now. What do you think, Toots? Is the floor full? You plead the fifth? Alright, you guys, there you have it. This is our breakfast time, and now Mama has to do some cleaning. Yay me! This is gonna be a long day, but this is what I signed up for. So this is mom life, you guys, and future people out there who are expecting or who eventually want kids, this is what you're gonna have to deal with. So I'm giving you a little preview of what is expected. So here you go. Now for lunchtime. We made a stop at Chick-fil-A prior to coming home. We were out all day, as I stated before. I didn't have time to cook, so this is what it is. I cut up a little fruit for her to have before giving her her entree. I cut up her pieces of chicken and her fries for her to enjoy. Doesn't she look like Boo from Monsters Inc? Summer will eat what she wants, and after a while, she will get tired and start throwing food everywhere. Just to make sure she's finished and full, I will offer her different things, and if she tells me no repeatedly, then I know she's full. But if she accepts, then that just tells me she was tired of eating whatever she had at the moment. My sister loves making eating fun for Summer, so she would joke around to make her laugh.
I in the middle, I in the middle, I in the middle, shake on them, shake on together. Thank you, baby. Get around.
Oh, Snooky Wook.
Eating requires a lot of spills, so this is what I mean when I say mealtime can get a bit messy.
Summer. Summer.
I will follow up and give her some yogurt just to make sure her little belly is completely full. So she didn't finish her chicken and fries, but again, she is a 1-year-old and she consumes what she wants. It's my job as her mama to make sure she is full. Summer tends to snack between the day, and I will usually give her yogurt and her favorite, which are Cheeto Puffs. Cheetos make her happy, as you can see. Lastly, for dinner, she will be eating chicken fettuccine alfredo. This is where her veggies come in for the day. I know it's pasta, but we have some broccoli in there for her to eat to assist with her growth. I usually feed her meals such as this because it will literally be everywhere. So I just grab one of her little bowls and plastic utensils and feed her. I will also give her some water as well. Seeing how we are so close to bedtime, she doesn't need all of that sugar. So I make sure to not only give her water because it's late, but because her body needs it. I did place some pasta on her tray to see if she was going to feed herself. She did at first, but then she began to play with it, so I knew it was time to take it away. I do give her milk in between meals as well because toddlers can be very picky, and we have to make sure they are receiving the full benefit of the nutrients and fat from milk. At her age, 24 ounces of milk is what she should have. We will end our night with a bottle, of course, and do it all again the next day. Be sure to try different foods. It can take up to 10 times for your baby to like something, so if they don't seem too interested at first, just keep trying. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I do upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.